Presenting the 2013 Lexus GS 350. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3.5-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 30,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include a sunroof, blind spot sensors, an alarm system, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, a HomeLink system. Inside you'll find leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, digital radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, push-button start, automatic climate control, a backup camera. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.
This is a Carfax one-owner vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of the Carfax Vehicle History Report online or contact the dealership. Just say, "Show me the Carfax."